I think it's filming. We're on the elephant, and we just lost the race. Fun. Hard steer. Reached our final destination. Hello. We apparently have a suicidal elephant. She wants to go over the border. Thinking about it. Continue to leave. Oh, take a look how I make a lot of pictures. In cards. Hello. That's cool. We're here at the top of the mountain in the village. See? In the village. We've just been walking for about, I don't know, a lot. I'm tired, took a shower, and I'm gonna go to sleep now. That's heaven right there. It's really early morning. But yeah, it's really early. And I wanted to get a view of that.